Hello and welcome to my video where I will show you how you can turn off the keyboard clicking sound on your iPhone 7. So this is the keyboard clicking sound I'm talking about. If you listen closely, each time you press a key in a message, you'll hear click. So to turn this off, what we want to do is go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down and you'll see Sound and Haptics. Press that button. Scroll down again and you will see keyboard clicks. Simply toggle that like so, reverse out, and that will stop the keyboard clicks. Very simple to do. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, read the sign, please subscribe. Thank you very much for choosing my video and I wish you a good day.